I'm not so bad, am I? It's John and Miguel!
Hold your hadrosaurs! Oh, no, you don't!
I'm glad to see you too, Clover.
Wow! You guys were fearless holding off those raptors.
Thanks, John. But we better get going.
We have to keep this Bronto melon safe and away from those raptors.
And we will, just as sure as the sun shines.
Giddy up, Quack! Hiya! Hiya!
They won't stop chasing us. We've got to do something.
They must be hungry. Maybe if we help them, they'll leave us alone.
They're not being nice to us. Why should we be nice to them? Enough! How can we think of a way to chase you off with you roaring so loud?
I know. What if we roar even louder? That should spook them off. The red pipe is for a Spinosaurus roar. Got it.
Whoops! What?
Whoops, wrong pipe. It worked. They're looking for a Spinosaurus.
Hopefully now they'll leave us and our Bronto melon alone.
Oh, no! Little bro, you wouldn't happen to have an even louder roar in that gadget, would you?
Not as loud as that. Dino ranchers, run! All I could think about was flying my dinosaur. Me too. I wish Clover was here.
Yeah, I keep imagining Blitz blitzing over that hill to save us. It's funny. I can almost hear him.
Wait, I think I can hear him.
It's Blitz!
Tango and Clover!
Howdy, boy!
You came for us! Tango, you're amazing. I'm sorry I doubted you.
Saddle up, everyone! Pa needs us! Dino Ranchers, ride!
Yee-haw! Y'all are a sight for sore eyes. I was beginning to wonder if I should set up camp.
I'm sorry, Pa. My flying machine fell apart, and we got stuck up on Mount Mastodon.
Flying machine? Well now, I'll have to hear more about that. But first, we need to clear this rock slide so we can herd these ankylos on home.
We're on it, Pa.
Let's go!
This boulder's a beast. We're gonna need all the dino power we can get.
Our dinosaurs can do anything. They rode all the way up Mount Mastodon in record time to save us.
Well, we always knew you dinos were special. Now, I need y'all one more time to help old Biscuit heft this rock out of the way. Yee-haw! Get along, little ankylos. We're heading home.
You're back! Whew, I have never been more relieved to see my family come riding through those gates. Is everyone okay?
We're all fine, Ma, but Miguel's flying machine didn't make it.
But y'all actually flew through the air?
It didn't fly for long, though. It would have if I hadn't been in such a rush to fix it so that it could hold our dinos. 'Cause a dinosaur without dinosaurs is just
Now, don't get down on yourself, Miguel. You were really onto something with that flyer of yours, and you need to keep at it.
You'll rebuild that dinosaur. so it flies even better than before.
And it will, with the help of my friends.
Oh no, the tin horns!
Augie, you're ruining our song. Go play that infernal instrument someplace else. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3.
Hey, could you please be quiet? We have a dinosaur named Jumpy that gets spooked really easily.
Oh, we're sorry, John. We'll just mosey on home and make sure we don't make any more loud noises.
So you're not gonna mess with us? Like you always do?
Why would we want to scare your easily spooked dino? We'd never do anything like that.
Yeah, I bet.
I don't get it, Clara. We're not going to mess with the Cassidys?
Of course we are. We're gonna make so much noise that Jumpy won't stop jumping for days.
Don't worry about those rascal tin horns, Jumpy.
Looks like Jumpy is all better. I think it's time to get you back to your family.
Oh, I broke a string. How are we gonna calm Jumpy down without your music?
We're gonna have to wrangle him the good old way. Whoa, Jumpy!
Now how are we gonna stop him? Who's playing that banjo?
Augie Tin Horn?
Ah, I didn't do nothing. I'm just playing my music.
It's okay, Augie. We like your music.
And Jumpy really likes it. He does? Gee, that's nice. Nobody back home thinks I'm any good.
Your music is okay, Augie. But what are you up to? And where are Ike and Clara? No doubt they're hiding up ahead, waiting to jump out and scare Jumpy.
I don't know where they are. Honest. They don't like my music, so when I feel like playing, I head off to the range all by my lonesome.
Augie, Jumpy loves your music. How would you like to ride along with us?
Really? That would be great!
Well, I'll be a Compy's uncle. This looks like Claire Tin Horn's hat.
Yeah, but how did it get out here?
Whoa! Maybe the wind. We can take it back to Clara later. It's way too hot to be missing your hat. Phew! I sure could use a cold drink of water.
Good thinking, John.
Let's go!
Oh boy, am I ever thirsty. Hey! What happened to all the water?
The ground's all wet here. And look, the cork popped out.
Popped out or pulled out?
On purpose? But who would do that?
The cork might have just been loose. Let's put it back nice and tight and fill up the barrel again.
Let's go see if we can find something to drink in the clubhouse.
That is one big mess. ¿Qué pasó?
Yeah, what's going on here? My spare hat's gone.
So are my bandages.
And Tango's fluffy, puffy bedtime pillow. Gone.
Oh no! Biscuit Jr.'s gone too! That's Blitz's favorite stuffy. No wonder he's upset.
First the water barrel, and now someone has taken our stuff.
But who?
Clara's hat? Blitz, you think the Tin Horns did this?
Gee, I don't know, Blitz. Just because we found Clara's hat doesn't mean they've been here causing mischief.
Min's right. We need evidence to prove it was the Tin Horns. Come on, let's all spread out and report back here in 5.
Hey, Clara, we know you're mad about losing your hat, but what are we doing spying on Dino Ranch?
I didn't lose my hat. Some varmint stole it. And I have a pretty good idea who. Look, it's my hat! I knew those Dino Ranchers were to blame.
Let's sneak in and catch those thieving hat thieves.
Dino Ranch is all clear. No sign of any bedtime pillow thieves.
Dino tracks. But why would a dinosaur take my bandages?
Okay, fine. Augie can ride along, but he better not try anything, because I'll be watching very closely.
Let's short bootstraps. Augie is riding with the Cassidys now? That turncoat? That scallywag? That...
Genius! Don't you see? Augie's got a plan, and he's waiting for just the right time to spook Jumpy good.
What is that? Some kind of music-making gadget? Well, sorta. My Dino Sounder can imitate any dinosaur call. So when we're near Jumpy's family, I can use it to call them over.
I can't wait to see Jumpy's face when he sees his family.
Me too, man.
Yeehaw!
Quiet, Augie! This part of the canyon is prone to rock slides, so we have to be careful to not set one off.
Good call, John. A noise like that would really spook Jumpy.
Unless that's what he's planning to do.
Why hasn't Augie done anything yet?
It's that John Cassidy. He won't let Augie out of his sight. Looks like we're just gonna have to scare that Jumpy dinosaur ourselves. Ugh! When this rock falls, the noise will scare Jumpy all the way to Timbukkaroo! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Look, up there! It's Clara and Ike. I knew that Augie and the Tin Horns were up to something.
Ike and Clara are here? Where?
Hiding up there. I'll show you. After 'em, Blitz. Here.
Be careful, John. It could be dangerous.
Okay, Tin Horns. We're on to you. Show yourselves! Uh-oh! Lasso time!
Hold on, John. We're coming. Yeah! That was close. Nice work, Dino Ranchers.
Look! Tin Horn tracks! I told you they're trying to mess with us, and that means Augie is in on it too!
You might be right about Ike and Clara, John, but Augie hasn't done anything wrong.
Yeah, look how happy Jumpy is.
I don't trust that Augie Tin Horn. I know he's up to something sneaky, and I'm gonna prove it. Min, Miguel, look what we found!
It's one of my bandages.
Did you see who took it? And did they have a fluffy, puffy pillow?
Nah, no pillows. And we didn't get a clean look at the varmint, so we can't say for sure who it was. You still think it's the Tin Horns?
Wait, we can't blame them. We don't have any proof.
Howdy, Clara. Looking for something?
You're darn tootin' I am. Y'all stole my favorite hat. We didn't take your hat, Clara. We found it on the range. Mystery solved, boys. I found our hat thieves.
We didn't steal your hat.
And it's not nice to accuse people of doing something unless you know the facts, Clara. Well, yeah, but your pesky raptor is doing the same thing.
He just misses Biscuit Jr. It's his favorite bedtime stuffy.
Oh, well, I am sorry for your loss.
Look, we've lost stuff too, and all of this finger pointing is silly. Why don't we work together to see what's going on? Fine, but I'll I'll be keeping my eye on him.
Clover and I saw some strange tracks over by the water barrel. Why don't we go have a look? They're dino tracks, but I don't know what kind. Maybe raptor tracks?
Hang on. You're saying our raptors made those tracks?
Blitz is a raptor. Maybe he made them.
Hat thief!
But Clara, most of the stuff went missing from our clubhouse. Why don't we all just calmly go and check it out?
Look! I've never noticed this hole before.
It's pretty tiny. I wonder who could have made it.
Wasn't me.
Now, Blitz, Clara would need to be a whole lot smaller to squeeze through there. It looks like our thief is tiny. Teeny tiny.
Compy tracks! Maybe some thirsty compies popped the cork on the barrel.
But why would they take my hat, Tango's pillow, and Min's bandages? It doesn't make a lot of sense.
Okay, that's it. I'm tired of this raptor breathing down my neck. Come on, boys. We'll solve this our way.
Blitz, I know you miss Biscuit Jr., but the only way we'll find him is by following the clues.
If we can find out who made these tiny tracks, maybe we could figure out why they took our stuff.
Yeah, they came back for water, right? And some of these tracks weren't here before, so maybe they'll come back again.